Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter matrices. In last class we discussed the transpose matrix, that is transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix and properties of symmetric matrix, properties of skew symmetric matrix. Okay, today we are going to discuss that is adjointive matrix, adjointive of a matrix. Okay, and then inverse of the matrix, and then how to find the solution of linear inequation using matrix method. So matrices, that is adjoint matrix, adjoint of a matrix, adjoint of a matrix. Okay, adjoint of a matrix. Let A be a non-singular matrix, A be a matrix, square matrix, that is A be a square matrix, then its adjoint is denoted by adjoint of A and is defined as adjoint A is equal to transpose of cofactor A. Transpose of what? Cofactor of A. That is, what is adjoint A? It is the transpose of cofactor of A. That is, adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of the matrix. Okay. Now let's discuss how to find adjoint A. Example, let A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. Find adjoint A. Solution, given A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. Now find cofactors. What is cofactors? C11, that is this row, this so 4. C12 odd हेले माइनस पुट करिबो माइनस, तो फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम काट -1, then C21 means second row first column odd होचे ऐड कले माइनस एमती गला second row first column, so -3, and what is C22 plus कले even होची, so this is equal to 2. Now cofactor of A is equal to what? C11, C12, C21, C22. This is equal to what? C11 means what? 4 minus 1 minus 3 then 2. This is cofactor A. Okay. Now adjoint A is equal to cofactor A transpose, means make rows into columns. So 4 minus 1 minus 3 2. This is adjoint A. Now similarly for order 3, this is for order 2. Similarly for order 2, this is one trick here. What is this? Is what? A. This is A. So 2, 4, 4 2 interchange. Okay, shortcut that is suppose A is equal to A B C D. Now adjoint A is equal to what? Change. It is valid for order 2 only. So change that diagonal, this diagonal, change, interchange. This is D and this is A, and here minus change. This change, this sign change, sign change. Okay, only sign change. So what is here? D, and this is minus B, and this is minus B, and this is minus C. This is the trick to find adjoint of the matrix of order 2 only. Now this is what? Now how to find the adjoint matrix of order 3? Adjoint matrix of order 3. Adjoint of a matrix of order 3. So find the adjoint of a matrix, adjoint of the matrix that is A is equal to 1 0 2 3 4 1 1 1 minus 1. Find the adjoint of this matrix. So solution is what? Solution A is equal to what? 1 0 2 3 4 1 1 1 minus 1. Now to find the cofactor. C11 1 plus 1 add करो, even होची साइन पड़िबनी. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट करो, तो रहिला केते 4 1 1 minus 1. एटा को ऑपरेटिंग कले केते होची 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 1. This is equal to minus 5. Now C12 बाहर करो, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम रहिला 3 1 3 1 1 minus 1. So this is equal to what? एटी कौन होची ऐड कले C12 ऐड कले ऑड होची, तो फर्स्ट माइनस साइन करिवा, तो फर्स्ट माइनस साइन पकेवा minus 3 minus 1. So minus minus plus 4 here. Okay, minus 4 and minus plus 4 here. So C13 बाहर करिवा, C13 बाहर कले फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम काटिवा 1 plus 3 4 होची इवन होची, तो साइन किछ पड़िबोनी. एटा केतला 3 4 1 1 3 4 1 1. So 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay, then this is completed for row 1. Similarly for row 2, this is for what? Row 1. And for row 2, this is for row 2, and this is what? C21 2 plus 1 3 odd हला माइनस पुट करिवा, एंड ए देबा तापरे डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू काढिबा. सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम कैंसिल कर दियो, सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो 0 2 1 minus 1 0 2 1 minus 1. तो माइनस साइन अच्छे माइनस साइन लिखिबी. 0 into minus 1 0 minus 2 into minus. So this is 2. Then C 2 2 second row third column, second row third 1 2 1 minus 1 1 2 एटा प्लस कले इवन होची, तो 1 2 this goes cancel, this go this row, second row and first second column, 1 2 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, ये हला minus 1, ये हला minus 2, so answer is minus 3. Now C 2 3, C 2 3 here, C 2 3, 2 plus 3 odd होची तो माइनस पुट करिया को फैक्टर काढिया होतले तो C 2 3 देख कौन होची 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1, so minus 1 into 1 1 minus 0, so this is minus 1. Okay, this is for row 2. Again for row 3, again for row 3, for row 3 what, for row 3, for row 3, for row 3, that is what, C 3 1, 3 plus 1 4 होची इवन होची तो साइन किछ पड़ियोनी, ओनली सब डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू बाहर करिवा. थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 0 2 1 4, 0 2 what, 0 2 sorry this cancel, this cancel, this cancel, 0 2 4 1, 0 2 4 1, so what happens here, that is 0 minus 8, so minus 8. Now C 3 2, 3 plus 2 5 होची odd हला तो माइनस पकेवा तापर सब डिटरमिनेंट. थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम कैंसिल करो, थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम, थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम कैंसिल होला 1 2 3 1, 1 2 3 1 करेक्ट, 1 2 3 1, 1 2 3 1, 1 2 3 1, 1 2 1 2 3 1 here. Okay, this cancel 1 2 3 1, so माइनस अच्छे माइनस पुट करी आगे 1 माइनस के 6 तो माइनस 5, ये गोटे माइनस प्लस 5 है C 3 3, थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम 3 plus 3 इवन होची साइन किसी पड़ोनी सब डिटरमिनेंट लिखा. थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम को कैंसिल करके 1 0 3 4, 1 0 3 4, 1 0 3 4, आपको कैलकुलेशन करो, कैलकुलेशन कले 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. तो मैं डायरेक्टली जदि रो 1 को कॉलम 1 कर दो, रो 2 को कॉलम 2 कर दो, रो 3 की कॉलम 3 कले एडजॉइंट मैट्रिक्स आसीजो. कौन पे आम रो को कॉलम चेंज कर दे मीन्स ट्रांसपोज कले, तो रो को कॉलम ट्रांसपोज कले से कोफैक्टर सब ट्रांसपोज हो गला तो एडजॉइंट है इक्वल टू व्हाट, ये सब रो 1 हम कॉलम 1 लिखिदेवी. एडजॉइंट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, adjoint A is equal to change the cofactors, rows of the cofactors. This is cofactor C1 C2 C3 cofactors in row 1. Change this into columns. So column पर लिखी दियो ये सब रो को एक्चुअली एमती रहा कथा मु डाउन लिखी है आपको कॉलम लिखी दियो जमी डाउन लिखी सेम लिखले हो गला. तो कौन अच्छी ये माइनस 5 4 minus 1 column 1 and this is row 1 is made row 1 is what, now it is column 1, row 2 now it is column 2 that is what 2 2 minus 3 minus 1, now minus 8 5 and 4, this is adjoint A. If you want to write the cofactor or you may write cofactors. What is cofactors है, or you write the cofactors then make its transpose, but here I directly written. Okay, direct I write here because here this is the row 1 cofactors, row 2 cofactors and this is row 3 cofactors. So write rows into columns, that is adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint of matrix means first कौन करियो cofactor काढ़िबो रो रो cofactor जा column लिखि दबो column हला row 1 cofactor column 1 लिखियो row 2 cofactor column 2 लिखियो row 3 रो cofactor column 3 रे लिखियो. This is the adjoint of the matrix. Okay, now what is inverse of the matrix? Inverse of a matrix. Okay, inverse of a matrix. If A is a non-singular matrix, if A is a non-singular means what? Whose determinant value not equal to 0. A is a square matrix, that is non-singular matrix means what is the non-singular matrix? The square matrix is said to be non-singular matrix if its determinant value is not equal to 0. So if A is a non-singular matrix, then there exists another square matrix, another square matrix B such that A into B is equal to I or B into A is equal to I, where B is called the inverse of matrix A, and the inverse of matrix A is denoted by A inverse. Okay, so according to this note is what? A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix is equal to what? A inverse into A, where A is a non-singular matrix, where A is a non-singular matrix. A is a non-singular matrix. Clear? Now calculation of A inverse. Now calculation or calculation of A inverse or computation of A inverse. Calculation of A inverse. If A is a non-singular matrix, then A inverse is equal to what? This is the formula to find inverse of a matrix. Then A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant A. This is the formula to find A inverse. Now question related to this A inverse. How to find the inverse of the function? Find the inverse of question. Find the inverse of A is equal to 3 minus 4 5 1. We know inverse A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant A, where determinant A not equal to 0. This is important, where determinant A not equal to 0. This is important. A inverse is equal to, okay. A inverse equal to what? Adjoint A by determinant A, where determinant A not equal to 0, because 0, any number by 0 is undefined. Now what is the requirement here? Now find determinant of A. Solution: This is what? A is equal to 3 minus 1 5 1. Find determinant A, that is 3 minus 1 5 1, and this is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now find the cofactors. C11 1 plus 1 2 होची even होची first of first column 1 रहिला, then C what? C12 first row second column odd होची minus, then C what? This is C21 odd होची minus, ये अच्छी minus 1, so this is plus, so C what? C22 even hala 4 hala, cancel this, so this is 3. This is row 1 cofactors and this is row 2 cofactors. Okay, now for adjoint A, write rows into columns. This is row, so write column, so 1 minus 5 column and 1 3 second column. This is adjoint A. Now A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant A. Adjoint A what? 1 1 minus 5 3 by determinant A. Determinant A is what? 8. एति रखले आंसर हबो, नहले सबु टर्म करे 8 रे डिवाइड करो. 1 by 8 1 by 8 minus 5 by 8 3 by 8. This is the answer. Note, if A inverse exists, then we can say the matrix, we can say the matrix A is invertible. जदि inverse रहुची तमे invertible कोई परिवा. Okay, example, A is equal to 2 1 3 4 is invertible because determinant A is equal to what? Because determinant A is equal to 12 8 minus 3, that is 5, not equal to 0. If determinant A equal to 0, then it is not invertible. Okay, invert doesn't exist. So now how to find the inverse of third order matrix? Find the inverse of A is equal to, find the inverse question here. Find the inverse of A is equal to 3 5 4 1 2 6 minus 2 0, and this is what? 5. So first we have to find determinant A. How to find determinant A? Now solution, A is equal to 3 5 4 1 2 6 minus 2 0 5. Now A is equal, determinant A is equal to 3 5 4 1 2 6 minus 2 0 5. So expand this, 3 into what? This and this will cancel, so 2 6 0 5, so 3 okay, 3 into what? This part goes cancel, 2 6 0 5 -5 इंटू ये जान प्लस माइनस प्लस जान सिंबलटा ओके सो -5 इंटू फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम 16 minus 2 5 plus 4 into first row third column 1 2 minus 2 0 1 2 minus 2 0 এটা ক্যালকুলেশন করা কিন্তু আসছে that is equal to 3 into 10 minus 0 minus 5 into 5 plus 12 plus 4 into 0 plus 4 so this is equal to 30 and this is 85 minus 85 and this is what 16 so this is equal to 46 minus 85 46 minus 85 so this is equal to 46 minus 85 okay so this is 39 85 minus 46 here 15 9 and this is what 7 4 39 so this is minus 39 okay minus 39 is the value of the determinant now to find the cofactors C11 now find C11 1 plus 1 2 even होची तो फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम गले रहा के 2 6 0 5 दिस इज इक्वल टू 10 माइनस 0 देन C12 मु डाउन रे लिखि दउची स्पेस नहीं तो ऑड हला माइनस तो 1 2 C12 ये गला 1 6 फर्स्ट 1 6 minus 2 5 1 6 minus 2 5 तो माइनस सिंबल अच्छी माइनस सिंबल थिले माइनस पुट करी ये है 5 plus 6 so this is what 5 plus 12 not 6 here 5 plus 12 17 अच्छी minus 17 so C13 even है first row third column okay so 1 2 minus 2 0 0 and plus 4 is equal to 4 this is for row 1 now row 2 is equal to for row 2 C21 2 plus 1 और हला माइनस पुट करी तापर डिटरमिनेंट सिंबल देवी C21 सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 4 5 4 sorry 5 4 0 5 5 4 0 5 this cancel here C21 means first row second column 5 4 0 so this is minus so minus sign is minus lekho minus 25 minus 0 so minus 25 again C22 even halla only sub determinant even halla kon kariya C22 3 4 minus 2 5 3 4 minus 2 5 15 plus 8 this is equal to 23 now C23 first row second row third column 3 5 minus 2 0 3 5 this is odd 2 plus 3 odd हो माइनस हो गया तो रोज कते माइनस ये कते हो सेकेंड रो थर्ड कॉलम 3 5 सेकेंड रो थर्ड कॉलम 3 5 minus 2 0 तो माइनस रखली 0 प्लस कते 10 हो So answer minus 10. This is row 2. Now for row 3. Now for row 3. For row 3. For row 3. For row 3. This is what? This goes cancel. C31 even hela determinant symbol deba. So third row second first column 5426 5426 30 minus 8 28 C32 C32 okay, C32 equal to what? C32 32 तो 3 4 3 C31 हला कहते 5426 C32 तो 3416 ये ऑड होची माइनस हबो माइनस लिखिकी ये गला एटा देखो सेकेंड रो थर्ड रो सेकेंड कॉलम 3416 सो माइनस पड़ला minus 18 minus 4 that is minus what? 14 minus 18 minus 4 minus 14 18 minus 4 14 आगे रच minus okay then C33 is equal to C33 is equal to second third row third column 3512 3512 ये ऑड इवन हो 3 plus 6 है इवन है साइन पड़ो किसी तो 6 minus के 5 1 ये रो 1 रो कोफैक्टर रो 2 कोफैक्टर रो 3 रो कोफैक्टर ना एडजेंट माने रो को सब कॉलम कर दो एडजेंट ए रो 1 कॉलम 1 कर दो जेमती अच्छे लिखि दा 10 minus 17 10 minus 17 and 4 this is column 1 okay then second column row 2 minus 25 plus 23 minus 10 this is column 2 and column 3 this is column 3 22 minus 14 and this is what? This is adjoint A. This is adjoint A. Now A inverse is equal to what? A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant A. So what is adjoint A here? This is the adjoint A. So 10 minus 25 22 minus 17 this is 4 okay this is 4 minus 17 23 minus 14 4 minus 10 1 by determinant A means what? Minus 39 so minus 39 रे divide कला हवा तो केता हवा minus 10 by 39 25 by 39 minus 22 by 39 and 17 by 39 and 23 by minus 23 by 39 14 by 39 minus 4 by 39 10 by 39 1 by 39 this is what? A inverse. This is equal to what? A inverse. So A inverse is equal to this. These are the question to find inverse of the matrix. Okay. Now properties of adjoint matrix. Some important properties. Of adjoints. Let property 1 let A be a square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A to the power n into y. This is the question. Okay, this is property number 1. Now verify. Question is verify A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A to the power. This is ideal matrix of order n. Determinant A to the power n into in. Okay. Suppose this is what for order 2. This is 3 for order 3. Okay. Here n equal to 6. This is question. If A is equal to 1 0 1 2 minus 1 0 1 and 2 1 3. This is the matrix. Now first find adjoint A. So first solution is what? Find adjoint A. This is homework for you. Find adjoint A and multiply with A. Okay. So one question I will do here. So determinant A is what? Adjoint A. So solution, this is A is equal to 1 0 2 minus 1 0 1 2 1 3. Okay. So C11 is what? This goes cancel. I will do directly here. This is what? Minus 1. C12 first row. This is what? First 0 minus what? C11. Check it. C11 first row first column. So this goes cancel. This is what? 1 minus 0. This is 1 first. Okay. First into like this 0 minus 1. So minus 1. Then C12 here. Cover this. Minus 3 minus 2. So since 1 plus 2 is odd, so put minus sign here. So minus sign here. This goes cancel. Okay. This goes cancel. This is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is 3. This is 3. Okay. So C1 2 means what? Put minus sign here because it is odd. So minus sign. This goes cancel. So minus 3 minus 2. Minus sign here minus 5, that is 5. Now C1 3. 1 plus 3 4 hela. 4 हेले कौन होची even होची तो साइन पड़िबोनी 1 minus 1 minus 1 comma 0. This is minus 1. Okay. Then what is C21? odd हला minus पके दवा. odd हला minus पके कौन होची टे ये गला 0 minus what? 2. 0 minus 2 hela plus 2 hela. Then C22 second row second column 2 to 4 hela even hochi. So 3 minus 4 minus 1. C23 odd hela minus पके दा केते होची ये गला कैंसिल है क्या तो होची 1 दिस इज व्हाट 1 minus 0 तो 1 here minus 1 now C 3 1 इवेन है कि साइन पड़ोनी थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 0 minus 0 0 and C 3 2 third row second column 1 into 1 this is first minus पकेदा odd होची so ये कैंसिल है ये आउ ये तो 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into minus so plus 2 1 plus 2 that is 3 अगर अच्छे minus then C 3 3 ये कैंसिल है 0 minus 0 0 0 now this is row 1 and this is what row 2 and this is what this is row 3 तो adjoint is equal to what row जा कॉलम लिखदा तो adjoint A कौन हबो adjoint हबो देखो adjoint A is equal to a row 1 रा कॉलम लिखदा माइनस के तो माइनस 1 5 minus 1 এটা হচ্ছে কত 2 minus 1 0 minus 3 0 ये है एडजॉइंट एडी डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू बाहर कर दै तो स्टार्ट रे डिटरमिनेंट ए इनटू हां डिटरमिनेंट ए दरकार पड़छ हमको तो एठो हम डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू काढी परिबा होला ए डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू काढ देथिबा डिटरमिनेंट ए केम आसुची देख ना 1 into what 1 into minus 1 तो minus 1 सेकंड टा 0 अच्छी 0 हो जिवो थर्ड टा 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 so डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू केते होची डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू होची तो minus 3 होची तो एबे लिखिबा this is determinant A is equal to what minus 3 now A into adjoint A into adjoint A कौन आस देखिबा तो A into adjoint A वैल्यू केते अछि एटा 102 एटा मल्टीप्लाई करियो पड़ियो केते आसियो 102 एटा होची व्हाट 8 लिखियो फर्स्ट से 1 0 2 minus 1 0 1 2 1 3 this is adjoint A and this is adjoint A minus 1 2 0 5 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 this is adjoint A so multiply this 1 into minus 1 minus 1 0 into 5 0 minus 2 so 1 into 2 2 0 and this is 0 and minus 2 okay so 1 into 0 0 0 into 3 0 2 into 0 0 similarly for row 2 minus 1 into minus 1 1 0 into 5 0 1 into minus 1 minus 1 then for second column minus 1 into 2 minus 2 0 and what minus 1 for third column 0 0 0 okay now 2 into minus 1 minus 2 1 into 5 5 3 into minus 1 minus 3 so 2 into 2 4 1 into minus 1 minus 1 okay 2 into 2 4 1 into minus 1, so what, minus 3. So 2 into 0, 0, 1 into minus 3, minus 3, 3 into 0, 0. So this is what? This is minus 3. This is what? Minus 3, and this is 0, and this is 0. Okay. And this is what? 0. This is not here n. Add a into adjoint a equal determinant a into I. This is okay. This is into determinant a into I. This is determinant a into I3. I3 means what? Identity matrix of order 3. The property is what is a into adjoint a equal to determinant a into In. This is the property. Okay, here. So the question is verify a into adjoint a equal to adjoint a into a is equal to determinant value into identity matrix. So this is what? 0, minus 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 3. 0, 0 what? Minus 3. Minus 3. এটা माइनस 3 कॉमन कर दवा तो कौन रहा 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? Adjoint A. So we get here this is equal to what? Adjoint A into what? Adjoint A. This is what? This is equal to adjoint A. This is equal to minus 3 means what? Determinant A, and this is I3, identity matrix of order 3. Okay. Now another question, another part, that is what? That is adjoint A into A. Another part, that is adjoint A into A. Clear? Adjoint A into A. Adjoint A into A. This is the another part. Another part is what? Now to prove adjoint A into A. Adjoint A into A. This is the proof. A into adjoint A is equal to what? We get here determinant A into I3 means or identity matrix order 3. Now this part is over. Now adjoint A into A. Now adjoint A into A. Now adjoint A into A. So this is equal to what? This is equal to adjoint A is what? Adjoint A is equal to minus 1, 5 minus 1, and this 2 minus 1, minus 1, 0 minus 3, 0 into A. What is A here? That is A is equal to, matrix A is equal to what? 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3. This is minus 1, 2, 1, 3. And multiply this, we get this. So minus 3, 0, 0, multiply this. So 0 minus 3, 0, and 0, 0, minus 3. You multiply yourself. So minus 3 common. So this is what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is equal to what? Minus 3 means what? Determinant here, and this is I3, identity matrix of order 3. Hence proved. Now property 2. Now property 2. Now property 2. Adjoint of A determinant is equal to determinant of If A is a square matrix of order n, this is property 2. Property 2, if A is a square matrix of order n, then adjoint A of determinant is equal to A to the power n minus 1. This is very important property for 1 mark question. Okay. Then step, that is property 3, if A is a square matrix, this is formula. Okay, this is formula, you have to remember this. So if A is a square matrix of order n, then adjoint of adjoint A is equal to what? Determinant is equal to determinant A to the power n minus 1 whole square. This is the property of the, some properties of the adjoint matrix. Also property 4, adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Okay. So these are some properties related to adjoint. Now property 5, the property someone rakhiya property 5, adjoint of A transpose is equal to adjoint A transpose. Okay. Property 5. Now properties of inverse function. Properties of inverse matrix. Properties of inverse matrix. Okay. AB inverse is equal to what? B inverse into A inverse. This is property 1. This is the property. AB inverse is equal to A B inverse A inverse. Number property 2, that is property 1, property 2, A transpose inverse is equal to A inverse transpose. So many properties, but this is required, only this properties is required for you, for the commerce students. Okay, and for the science students many more properties are there. So these are the properties of the inverse function, and what? The properties of what? Adjoint of the matrix and inverse of the matrix, not inverse function, it is inverse of the matrix. So thank you, have a nice day.